Hey, plant lovers! Have you ever looked at your rubber plant and thought, I wish I could have more of these beautiful plants around my home? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to grow a rubber plant from cuttings. It's super easy and a fun way to expand your indoor jungle. Before we dive in, let me quickly show you what you'll need. A healthy rubber plant, a pair of clean scissors or pruning shears, a small pot with well-draining soil, and some water. That's it! Alright, let's get started. The first step is to choose a healthy stem from your rubber plant. Look for a stem that's about 6 inches long and has a few leaves. You want to avoid stems that are too young or too old. Once you've found the perfect stem, use your clean scissors or pruning shears to make a cut just below a node. A node is where the leaves meet the stem. This is where new roots will grow. Great! Now that we have our cutting, it's time to prepare it for planting. Carefully remove the lower leaves, leaving just a couple of leaves at the top. This helps the cutting focus its energy on growing roots instead of supporting too many leaves. Next, we need to let the cutting dry for a bit. This helps prevent any rot when we plant it. Just leave it out for a couple of hours until the cut end forms a callus. Once the cutting has dried, it's time to plant it. Fill your small pot with well-draining soil. Rubber plants love soil that drains well, so make sure your pot has drainage holes too. Gently place the cutting into the hole and firm the soil around it. You want the cutting to be stable but not too tight. Now give your new plant a good drink of water. Make sure the soil is moist, but not waterlogged. Too much water can cause the cutting to rot. To help the cutting grow, place it in a warm, bright spot with indirect sunlight. Rubber plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but direct sunlight can be too harsh for the new cutting. Patience is key here. It can take a few weeks to a couple of months for roots to develop. Keep the soil moist and be patient. Before you know it, you'll have a new rubber plant ready to thrive. And that's it. Growing a rubber plant from cuttings is simple, rewarding, and a great way to expand your plant collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future plant tips and tricks. Happy planting, everyone!